Right-hand side here, the community center and visitors information. And there's a lot of cool shops in here. We are going to have some time for you to roam around and check it all out. And then we're going to park down here by the Hotel de Paris. And I just spoke with the hotel, and since we're early, they would like to take us at 10 o'clock.
Well, I'm currently in the town of Georgetown, Colorado, but I got the bus in back of me with the engine running, so you're going to hear that. So we're going to have a tour of an old hotel here coming up, so we have a few minutes just to walk around in town. And we got Shadow Man down there, and I don't have a square head. That's a sign in back of me. And there's one of our intrepid travelers there, and there's our bus back up at the top there. So okay, this is the kitchen of the hotel, where all the good stuff is made and eaten on the old stoves here. Look at that old stove here. Bricks around it.
So folks, we just ask that you don't touch anything as we go through, but feel free to take photos. No flash and no video.
Oh. Well, I'm coming up to the Georgetown Energy Museum. I don't quite know what it is, but we're going to check it out and see what's here. Okay, here we go. Talk about the hydroelectric plant. It's putting out some chairs in there. Free admission. You like that? This is backup DC generator in this room, Georgetown. I'm looking through the glass here. It looks like it's running in there now, so maybe we'll get some better shots outside. Let's see.
Live wilderness.
17, 18 feet in diameter. It was right here, and part of it went under the floor, and it went up. So this section here was set up by one of our retired linemen, the guys that keep the lines there and electricity running, replace broken lines. And in 1900, they were going to use. We were set all the steel tubes.
Some other equipment here. We're going into the noisy machine room now, and it says high voltage here. Stay behind the fence. There's the fence. This is still in operation here, made a long time ago. Water from the creek powers it. Still working pretty good. Just more equipment that they had from the old days here. And pretty soon it's time to go to lunch. This is one of the first electric stoves and electric washer. She did turn this on for us, but I didn't have the camera ready, but it still works and works quite well. So this is from 1900, I think it says there. Hose washing. 1919 maybe. All right, there's a motor made in New Jersey here in the old days. Come back out here. How they used to get up in the mountains and guys that have to go up in this pass and see it in the winter time. Had a lot of ice and snow there. So a lot of work that had to be done. And a lot of hand labor to lay all these wires here for the linemen. The old insulators in the old days. You got the various cables here. You can see part of a wall from a shack they used to have up there. And the transmission line. You can halt it here if you want to read it. This is the outside. And there's the creek water down there. It powers this. And we're going to head back up inside now. Okay, this is wireless electricity here we're going to see.
Okay.
She's going to hold that bulb up there. It lights up. Thank you, Mr. Tesla here.
Yeah.
If only they listened to him, we'd be a lot better off now, I think.
And this is a
Oh, yeah.
Jacob's coil.
Jacob's coil.
Ladder,
See
ladder.
that on all the Igor movies and everything.
Okay.
Frankenstein.